Wel, dyn ni'n gyrraedd yr ofal I gwylio tîm y merched fel Llandudno heddiw. A mae Fion ac Efan wedi gyrraedd. Dych mae'n i'r gem heddiw genod?
Yndan, dylsa I fod yn gem dda, mae'n dynod braf a gobeithio gawn ni gem well na tro dwytha, gem agosach.
Ia, be oedd y sgôr tro dwytha?
7-2, ond gem cwpan, so dyna ddim, mae hon yn bwysicach yn fod o'n gem lig.
Cant y canta fydd o'n gem da.
Na fo, champion, wel, wedi mych o lwc. Gewch chi well result iddo, ia? Ie. Gyda ni photoshoot rhan dymol, does?
Oes.
A ni cefwch chi wneud o'ch yn barod. Wyla chi wedyn? Ia. Dyna'r genod yn mynd, neud un yn barod. Ni headshot sy'n ball chi dynnu heddiw. Mae'n rhywun yn y siop. Pete? How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah? What are you doing here on a Sunday?
Stock take.
Stock take?
Yeah, preparing for Christmas.
Good news or bad news?
We've got some few of the very large sizes.
Yes.
So, yeah, we've got pretty much everything.
Does that mean, if you've got a few of the large sizes, does that mean that you've ordered too many of them?
No.
No?
No, we're catering for Christmas.
For after Christmas? What kind of stock have you got?
Well, we've got, for children, the smallest size, drop this. We've got the 2YX, which is for sort of 3 to 4 year olds, training top, only £20. Running through to the striped shirts again, training, only £20. They from 3 years upwards, up to about 11 or 12. We're getting some more home shirts in, and we've got away shirts as well. Also new in children's hoodies. So we've got a fair selection on the adult size. We've got plenty shirts, polo shirts, jackets. Let's have a look. Full zip jackets, hoodies.
This new range is going well?
Yeah. We've made a sale this morning.
You have?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay.
And, the mugs, we've only got a few mugs left. Last year, the Champions mugs.
Oh yes, how much are those?
So they're only £8.
Yeah.
I think, how many have we got left of those? We've got 8 mugs left. I think we had 30 plus, so we've sold most of those. Scarves, got some beanie hats in now as well.
Okay, have you got any special items coming up for Christmas, or?
No, I think we've got kit as well. We just ordered some full kit for children. So we've got tracksuit bottoms, shorts, socks.
So when are you open? Just match days, yeah?
Yeah, just match days at the moment.
Yeah.
We will be doing the Llandudno Christmas Fair, which I think is Thursday, the 29th of November.
Okay. So we'll have a stall there as well,
We'll have a stall there as well. Also, I think that's Black Friday's the following day. So watch this space.
There we go.
Go to the Llandudno Christmas Fair, and then maybe some special offers.
Okay. Right, so we'll see.
Yes.
And if you get extra sales, is there a commission to be had?
Oh yeah, well obviously the club makes all the profits.
No, I'm talking about me.
Oh, depends how much you sell.
Okay, well thanks so much, Pete. Yeah, there's a good stock of stuff here then, yeah?
Yeah, and we're getting, there's some new hoodies coming in, there's a few new ranges coming in. Also, if you want teamwear, you can go on the Total Teamwear website and order direct, and the club still makes the profit. Okay,
but it's cheaper for supporters to come here, isn't it? Yeah,
it is. Well,
because of the postage, really.
Postage, yeah. The price is the same.
Okay,
however, they have a bigger range, and so you can get slightly different things on their website as well.
Brilliant. Diolch yn fawr, Peter.
You're welcome.
So nesa, cyfweliad y Gymraeg, well, Wenglish.
Wenglish
next time.
I'm okay at Saesneg.
Yeah. Okay, we'll keep it in English then. Diolch, Pete.
Diolch.
Thank you. Hey, Sarah.
Helo.
Sut o't ti? Ti'n iawn?
Diolch.
Ych di, edrych ymlaen am y gem heddiw?
Do, edrych ymlaen.
Wyt?
Do. Da
iawn, yn siarad o Fion a Efa wan. Roedd nhw'n peth, edrych ymlaen i gael wyn bach eich.
Weithio gael wyn heddiw da. Gynna ni chance da, rili.
Ie.
So ni gyd weithio atho tîm, atho da ni'n neud anyway.
Ie.
Na.
Do wedi bod tro, da. Wedi gyfod tîm newydd. Gyda chi dipyn o gyrraedd newydd chwarae. Oes. Chwarae tîm ar yma, does?
Mae cryfhau'r tîm hefyd, a da ni gyd yn ffrindiau da. Ffrindiau da. A da ni'n gyd yn chwarae pel-droed yn ei gilydd wedyn, da ni wedi rannu seddio de.
A gadwch chi wyn daws os dwytha, ie?
Do.
So mae hynna'n hwp i chi, dydy?
Ydy, mae o. A gael wyn arall heddiw, ia. A neith confidence ni boostio, ia.
Mae lot i wneud yn hynna. Edrych efo, mae gennych chi chwaraewyr ifanc, ie? Ie. Ma'ch confidence gael wyn fel fath os dwytha. Yn cwpan o hwnna, de?
Ia, cwpan, ia.
So, beth ti'n disgwyl gen Llandudno heddiw?
Dwi'n gobeithio gawn ni wyn da, just gawn ni weld sut da ni'n chwarae heddiw.
Beth ti'n disgwyl gen nhw fel tîm chi?
Fydd nhw'n dod allan, fydd nhw isio fo, fatha da ni isio fo hefyd. Ond mae gynnu nhw tîm cryd a gynnu nhw tîm da. So, i ni gyd batlo tan diwadd, wneud y 90 munud. Da ni methu wneud mwy. Os ond da ni'n gyd yn wneud 100%. Ia, fydda'n iawn.
Na fo, champion. Ydych chi'n mynd yn ôl yna, wneud un y berod?
Ia, diolch yn iawn. Diolch.
Wel, mae'r cae edrych y ddau ddod ydy. Sy'n eich well na'r ofal. Ydy gael dwrnod braf o ddyn. Well, Keith, manager of the ladies team. Your thoughts on the season so far for the team?
Pretty catastrophic, really. We managed to scrape to win last week in the Welsh Cup.
Yeah.
We're now in the last 16 of the Welsh Cup, which gives us a bit of optimism. But we're running on a very small squad, and we really have to start recruiting again.
Yeah.
We've lost a few people with illness, and 4 gone to university in Cardiff. This gives us a lot of recruitment problems.
Yeah. How many players have you got in the squad now, Keith? 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I know you beat Caernarfon Bay last week.
Yeah,
in the cup.
Just about.
But that must give. I know you're not off the mark in the league yet. I understand that. But a win in the cup like that must give you some confidence, a boost.
Well, we certainly showed a lot of team spirit.
Yeah.
There was a hell of a lot of Callan in there.
Yeah.
We battled, and it was just a typical cup tie, typical battle. And we showed character to get that final winning goal. You know, and the front two up front, they've been in form a nice partnership, and they got 9 goals in between them last couple of games.
Yeah.
So that's promising, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, and I know you've recruited quite a few players over the summer.
Yeah. There's
been a few changes to the side.
Yeah.
Are you seeing the developments in the side now? Are you seeing the team developing?
Well, it's difficult to say. I think today will be a test. This is against Llandudno. It's a local derby, really.
Yeah.
You know, and we know their players well. They know as well. So today's a test.
Yeah.
And, fortunately, our streeper's been admitted to hospital last night. So.
Right. Okay. And who's she, sir?
Kim Broadbent.
Okay. Yeah. So all the best to Kim. You know.
Yeah.
But you're looking forward to the match today.
Oh yeah, always. A sunny day, the Oval. What do you want?
Yeah. Exactly. So what's going to be your hopes now for the rest of the season, Keith?
Well, survival.
Yeah.
Basically, it's survival.
Yeah. And it's I know. As I mentioned earlier on, we might not be off the mark yet. But this is the league that you want to be in, isn't it?
Well, you want to compete at the highest level, don't you?
Of course.
You don't want to turn out every week and it'd be too easy. There's the whole point of playing football is to get as far as you can and do as well as you can, isn't it?
Of course it is. Yeah. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Keith. All the best in the match.
Cheers. Thanks.
And I might see you later on. Yeah.
Okay.
Diolch yn fawr. Thanks. Yeah. Iawn?
Iawn.
Okay. Ydych chi'n smalio dy swyl, wan? Ti'n iawn, Tania? Ydych chi wedi fod, wan?
Just yn siarad efo Pete yn y siop, just i sortio'r seisis y crysa.
O, reis.
I fod fatha dynion, so.
O, reis. Mae hwnna'n gofal bod i'r noddwyr eto tymor yma, de? Ie.
So, just so bod ni'n un clwb.
Ie, dyna di syniad, ie.
Ie, so just gael y seisis.
Oedden nhw yn iawn efo seisis, oedden nhw gyn dweud bod nhw'n llain efo nhw.
Ffysi, ie.
Ie. Ie, na fo. Beth ti'n disgwyl o'r gem hyd o syniad?
Dwi'n meddwl gem anodd, obviously. Mae rhyw gem yn erbyn tîm jyst fyny lôn wedi bod yn battle, ond dyna mae amdan, dwi'n meddwl, haid i ni just pob wneud i job, da.
Ie, a testio chi
wedi. Cyddiad y gem, fatha gem heddiw, so. So dyna mae amdan. Wedi chwarae nhw'n cwpan nath ni golli, ond dwi'n gobeithio fydd o ddim rhyw fath heddiw. ma' nhw'n dim da, so...
Ie.
Ie.
Na fo, mae'n trio'n gorau gyda ni.
Ie, ond dyna da ni'n gofyn am.
Na fo, champion. Diolch ti, Seri.
Iawn.
Ja, na mae'n rhaid i ddweud os Diwrnod ti'n dod.
Mae'n mynd i fynd o?
Ie.
Keith, the team lost 2-0 today, but having lost to Llandudno 7-2 earlier on in the season, does that show improvement?
Well, you've got to say, we made a few chances, especially late on, near nil half-time. We had it in our grasp, we could have done it, we didn't, but there are some positive things to be taken from that game, sure.
Yeah, what was the message to the team half-time when it was scoreless?
Well, here's your chance, you know. Let's keep playing it to feet. Let's close them down and give them no room, usual stuff, and let's see if we can get 3 points at last. It wasn't to be. We gave away a goal early doors in the second half. Just again gave the ball away. You know, 60-40. I'd say it was on the positive side.
Yeah, there were a few breaks. We had a few breaks second half. Catherine and Katie. Catherine twice actually, and Katie. There was a bigger threat in the second half from the girls, I think.
Yeah, I mean it's just frustrating really. If those chances had gone to the net, which they should have done, we'd have won 3-2. Yeah. That's football, isn't it? We didn't win 3-2, you know. We basically didn't put them away.
And what's going to be the drill now this week, training wise?
Back to training. Get everybody working hard, and I think we've got to work on some basics really. Yeah. Getting goal side. Giving them no room, giving people no time, making an easy pass, just back to basics really.
Yeah. Eva went off earlier on in the match, and any news on Eva?
No news, but we suspect it's a broken wrist.
Right, okay. And just back to the team itself now, what's the next match?
Got no game next week, but away the following week to Cardiff City.
Good, and I'm going to finish off with the traditional question that I asked the manager. For marks out of 10 for that performance, please, Keith.
6.
6 out of 10. An improvement, but more to come, yeah?
That's right, yeah.
Diolch yn fawr, Keith.
Right.
Thank you. Well, Cara a Sophie fo fi wan. Game frustrating, heddiw oedd?
Oedd dipyn bach yn frustrating efo'r scoreline yn y diwedd, ond deu hynna mae lot o positives hefyd gyda ni gymryd ohono fo hefyd.
Ia, oedd gathon ni ddau o chances yn diwedd na. Dyma Catrin a Katie. Fel am y beth yn mynd weithiau, lle beth yn mynd cweith yn iawn, ie?
Ie. Ond first half oedden ni'n meddwl bod ni gynnu chance o cyrra fo. Ni gynnu chance o gymryd 3 points, ond ni 2 gol bler, rili, do.
Do, oedd hi'n 0-0 hanner amser. Oeddech chi'n teimlo, reit, ymlaen ni i gael o pwyntio fan, ie?
Oedd hi'n positif hanner amser.
Ie. Dechrau'r tymor, nathon ni golli 7-2 i tîm yma. So, di hwnna yn rhoi bwst i chi wan, bod chi'n mynd y ffordd iawn, bod yna gwellad yna chi.
Yndi, mae yn hefyd am bod yr 2 gol fysa, oedden nhw'n golau bler, so sa ni wedi rhoi y gol syna be fysa'r sgolain lle wedi bod yn hollol wahanol wedyn yn y diwadd. So na'r positives, da ni wedi chwarae dda fatha tîm, pawb individually, a team performance, a 2-0 oedd o'n diwadd, ond oedd y performance yn heddi gwell na hynna i fyny.
Cara, be o'ch ti teimlo os rhywbeth oedd y gwahaniaeth rhwng y 2 dîm?
Erbyn diwadd oedden nhw lot mwy physical. Ac oedden nhw'n pasio lot gwell na ni. Dwi'n gwybod be oedden ni'n gwneud yn diwadd, ond oedden nhw'n pasio ac oedden nhw'n skillful. Dwi'n gwybod sy'n wedi blino to bed. Just mistake, stupid.
Mae gennych chi wsos off fan. Dim gem penwythnos nesa. Dyn da chi'n Gaerdydd. Ie, dwi'n iawn, dydw. Edrych ymlaen i'r siwrna lawr yna?
Yndan.
Dyn y gwir rwan?
Dim really, ond na, da ni efo, obviously, y win os dweitha, performance really da os yma i bildio ar erbyn yr gem nesaf, so na, edrych ymlaen.
A dyn peth yn mynd ffordd iawn, ie?
Ie, gobeithio.
Na, gret. Da iawn hyd o gynnad, am lwcus iawn, a diolch yn fawr iawn i chi am cymryd yr amser i siarad o'n i.
Diolch.
Thank you. Wel, prawn difyr yn yr ofal heddiw. Dwi dim i Llandudno oedd hi, ond fel oedd Cieth, Cara a Sofi'n dweud yn y cyfwyddiadau, oedd hi'n perfformiad positif, ac yn amlwg mae'r tîm yn mynd y ffordd iawn, de. Ie, gawn ni weld lle ni catch up efo'r merchaid eto cyn byr.